Torrevieja is a city in Spain's southeastern Alicante province on the Costa Blanca. It's known for its Mediterranean climate and coastline. The two large salt lakes of Torrevieja and La Mota ensure, together with the sea air, that city is one of the climatically healthiest parts of Europe. Mostly the Spanish people throng here during their summer holidays, since the city offers modern amenities of living alongside the pools, beautiful gardens, and the sandy beaches with the crystal clear water. In recent years, the local economy has hugely expanded due to the tourist industry. This includes both a strong contingent of British, Irish, Germans and Scandinavians, many of whom live there all year round, and Spanish people who have a second home in the city. The Costa Blanca resort of Torrevieja is a dream if you like sun, sea and lots of sand. 5 of Torrevieja's beaches were awarded the Blue Flag in 2016. The city also has a fantastic infrastructure, so you won't be stuck for things to do, and your children will never be left out. There are water parks and water sports centers nearby, as well as a variety of restaurants and pubs. There is also a large list of nearby cities to visit on day trips. Torrevieja is perfect for holidays or recreation, also is a great city for all year-round living. Thanks for watching. And if you want to support us, then please like, share and comment on our videos. We really appreciate your support.